What's the difference between a floor washing robot and a sweeping and mopping all-in-one machine? Actually, these two types of products are designed for totally opposite groups of people. As for floor washing robots, they are perfect for lazy people. During the entire cleaning process, you don't need to lift a finger. You only need to pick up scattered debris on the floor in advance, but its downsides are obvious. It always fails to clean corners and edges thoroughly. What's more, even if you only need to clean a tiny area, the floor washing robot will still clean the whole house, following its mapped route from start to finish. If you are a diligent person who pursues spotless cleanliness just like me, then I recommend you choose a sweeping and mopping all-in-one machine. So how do you pick the right one? Actually, just pay attention to the following key points. 1. Don't pick one that's too heavy. The one I personally use weighs only 3.5 kilograms, about the weight of several bottled waters. Not to mention me, even the elderly or young ladies can easily carry it around the house. 2. Low noise level. If you're cleaning the house while your family can't even watch TV normally, it will definitely affect daily life and harmony at home. The one I use has a working noise level below 60 decibels. I often mop the floor with it while scrolling videos on my phone, with zero disturbance at all. 3. Guaranteed cleaning performance. Many sweeping and mopping all-in-one machines only have post-cleaning self-cleaning function. That means after mopping the entire floor, they go back to clean the roller brush afterwards. But in fact, the roller brush is already dirty long before that. It drags a dirty brush all over the house, simply mopping the floor with dirt. The one I use is totally different. It cleans the roller brush in real time while mopping. 4. Real-time self-cleaning. The roller brush stays clean all the time. After use, take a look, the roller is still spotless. What's more, its cleaning power is surprisingly good. This is solid proof of its strong cleaning ability. 5. No watermarks after cleaning. Some sweeping and mopping machines leave the floor wet and slippery after mopping. That's exactly mopping with dirty water. For clean freaks and diligent people, this is totally unacceptable. But the one I use adopts a high polymer roller with excellent water absorption and locking performance. After mopping, the floor leaves no watermarks at all. You can even walk barefoot on it right away. 6. Good waste separation and easy maintenance. Many sweeping and mopping machines on the market have no waste separation function at all, or just separate waste with a simple filter screen. After long-term use, the residue of mixed dry and wet garbage will make the machine smell bad, just like a public restroom. It's really annoying. But mine adopts no suction technology. And this is the key highlight. Actually, it works totally differently from traditional machines that rely on strong suction. For traditional suction-based machines after long use, once the filter gets clogged, the suction power drops sharply and the cleaning performance declines rapidly. But the one I use has no filter at all. It cleans by adhesion of the roller brush, so there's no clogging problem at all. It completely solves the problems of filter clogging, suction loss, and declining cleaning power. Combined with its automatic 3-way waste separation system, solid waste, hair, and sewage are treated separately. I've used this machine for a long time, and it never gives off any bad odor. Stick around till here. Here's my pick, HIZERO F300. Any diligent clean freak tempted yet?